Welcome, welcome to the fun, where every day's a bright new one. Tiny Kids Junction, come along. Sing, dance, and play where you belong.
Once upon a time, in a small village surrounded by mountains, lived a brave boy named Rohan. The villagers often heard loud roars echoing from a nearby cave and believed it was home to a terrifying dragon. Everyone in the village was afraid to go near it, but Rohan was different. He wasn't scared. Instead, he was curious about the creature that lived there. One sunny morning, Rohan decided to visit the cave. As he approached, he saw the dragon emerge from the shadows. It wasn't scary at all. The dragon had big, gentle eyes, but one of its wings looked injured, wrapped in a tattered bandage. The dragon let out a loud roar, not out of anger, but pain. Rohan stepped forward bravely and asked, "Why are you roaring so loudly?" The dragon replied in a deep, sorrowful voice, "My wing is hurt, and I've been roaring for help, but everyone is too afraid of me to come near." Hearing this, Rohan smiled kindly and said, "Don't worry, I'll help you." He carefully unwrapped the old bandage and cleaned the wound. Then he tied a fresh bandage around the dragon's wing. The dragon looked at him with gratitude and said, "Thank you for helping me. You're the first person who hasn't been afraid of me." From that moment, Rohan and the dragon became friends. The dragon wanted to show the villagers it wasn't a threat, so Rohan invited it to visit the village. Together, they walked into the village square. At first, the villagers were terrified and ran to hide. But Rohan called out, "Don't be afraid. The dragon is kind and just needed help." Slowly, the villagers came out of their homes and saw the dragon smiling and waving its good wing. Children laughed, adults cheered, and colorful flags were raised to celebrate the new friendship.